Everyone thinks the best-selling solar panel kits for motorhomes are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Eco-Worthy 200W Kit. First up is the Eco-Worthy 200-watt solar panel kit. Priced at $169.99, this kit caught my attention with its promise of high efficiency. If you want consistent power for your RV adventures, this is worth a serious look. The Eco-Worthy kit can generate about 800 Wh per day under ideal conditions, which is really impressive. This means you'll have reliable energy even on cloudy days. The durable aluminum alloy frame ensures longevity and can withstand harsh weather, think strong winds and heavy snow loads. Plus, the kit includes everything you need: 2 100W panels, a 30A solar controller, and all the necessary cables. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a complete kit means no hunting for extra components, making setup a breeze. I'll be real with you, this could frustrate beginners. But if you're even slightly handy, you'll probably find it manageable. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solar solution for your motorhome at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you prefer an ultra-simple setup without any challenges. Alright, if the Eco-Worthy kit's installation complexity bothered you, the next one might take a different approach. Product number 2, Renagi 100W Starter Kit. Next is the Renagi 100W Solar Panel Starter Kit, retailing at $159.99. This one grabbed my attention due to its strong reputation and high ratings. If you're looking for a solid entry point into solar, this kit deserves your attention. The kit includes an LCD PWM charge controller that allows for remote monitoring with a Bluetooth module, which is super handy for tracking your power usage. The durability is noteworthy as well. It can withstand extreme weather conditions, which is crucial for off-grid living. Plus, Renagi offers a market-leading service plan with a 10-year warranty on the panels, so you can buy with confidence. Here's why this matters. Having such strong support means you won't be left in the dark if something goes wrong. However, some users have reported that the wiring could be a bit short for larger setups. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this kit is likely all you'll need. This is perfect for you if you're new to solar and want a reliable, expandable system. Skip this one if you need larger power capacity right out of the gate. Now, if you're concerned about the wiring length, wait until you hear about our next option. Product number 3, VoltSet 12V Solar Battery Charger. Third on our list is the VoltSet 12V Solar Battery Charger, priced at just $43.99. I found this one intriguing because it offers a simple, budget-friendly solution for maintaining battery health. If you're just looking to keep your batteries charged without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This 20W solar panel is designed to deliver power using advanced MPPT technology, meaning it can charge your 12V batteries 20–30% faster than traditional chargers. It's universal, working with various battery types like AGM and lithium. I mean, how convenient is that? Plus, being IP67 waterproof means it's built to handle the outdoors, from rain to extreme heat. However, keep in mind that this isn't meant for heavy energy demands, it's more of a trickle charger. So if you're looking to power multiple devices or appliances, this may not cut it. But if you just need to keep your battery topped off, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you primarily need to maintain battery health while on the road. Skip this one if you need something more powerful for extensive use. Now, if the limited power output of the VoltSet didn't appeal to you, our next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Renagi 100W Portable Solar Panel. Next up is the Renagi 100W Portable Solar Panel, priced at $154.99. This caught my eye because of its portability, perfect for campers and RV enthusiasts. If you want something easy to transport, this could be your answer. This solar panel boasts a remarkable 25% efficiency, which means it captures sunlight better than most. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and set up, which is a huge plus for on-the-go energy needs. Plus, it includes a waterproof 20A charge controller, so you have everything you need right out of the box. Here's why this matters. Whether you're on a quick weekend trip or an extended stay, having a portable solution allows you to harness energy wherever you are. On the downside, some users found it a bit heavier than expected for a portable panel. Honestly, if you're not planning to carry it far, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you value portability in your off-grid setup. Skip this one if you need something lighter for frequent travel. Now, if the weight of the Renagi portable panel was a concern for you, the next option is the lightest on our list. Product number 5, SOLPRK 20W Solar Panel Kit. Finally, we have the SOLPRK Solar Panel Kit priced at just $32.99. I was drawn to this because of its affordability and practicality for smaller applications. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to keep your batteries charged, this might be your best bet. With an adjustable mount, it makes it easy to get the perfect angle to capture sunlight. Plus, it's designed to handle harsh weather conditions, offering durability and a long lifespan. Here's why this matters. If you're just looking to maintain your battery without any fuss, this is a no-brainer. However, the power output is limited, which won't be enough for running larger appliances. Some users did mention that they wish it had more wattage. But if your needs are simple, this can easily keep your batteries topped off. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solar charging option at an unbeatable price. Skip this one if you plan to run multiple devices or need higher capacity. So there you have it, 5 solid options for solar panel kits for your motorhome. From the robust eco-worthy with its comprehensive kit to the budget-friendly SOLPRK, each has its strengths tailored to different needs. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting to explore solar power, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and enjoy your adventures.